Alright, so it's pretty early on into the show. There's still a lot of people showing up, but there is a lot more people leaving the show, and I basically want to try to get as much content as I can for you guys as they are leaving, because it gets really crazy here. So yeah, like and subscribe, and also comment down below which one's your favorite car that leaves here, because some of them do sound pretty damn crazy. This one's sick sounding Ferrari right there. God damn, that Mercedes AMG was loud. Wow, that Lotus sounded even crazier. Damn, Mclarens are fast. Oh, that sounded good. Damn. Check out this Beamer. Burn it? Thought he was gonna do a burnout. He just did a crazy launch control. Did you just blow his transmission almost? Holy shit. This guy banged on limiter so hard. Has gotta be one of the most aggressive shits I have ever heard. Oh yeah, buddy. Oh, buddy, the freaking burble tune on that vet. Super though, and an R34 GTT. Dude, the backfires on that R33 are mental. Ooh, buddy went swinging out of there. Check out this stupidly loud thing. Come on, hit it to second gear as well, dude. Holy shit, the buddy hit the curve right here. Damn, that I bet did not feel good. BMW sounded so high pitched. pretty much do it for this Pistons at the Park car meet. It was pretty chill, honestly, today. It wasn't that crazy, but we got enough content for you guys, hopefully, and I hope that y'all liked all of it. So yeah, if y'all did, like and subscribe, comment down below which one is y'all's favorite car here, and I'll be seeing y'all in the next video.